Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make your Steam profile private. Move your mouse cursor over your profile name tab in the Steam desktop app. It should be directly to the right of Community. Select Profile from the drop-down menu. Click Edit Profile in the upper right corner of this page, then My Privacy Settings. From here you can choose one of the three options for your Steam profile. On the page they're quite self-explanatory, with options for total secrecy or access solely to your Steam friends. Select Private for all three if you don't want anyone to view your games, comments, or inventories on the public web. You don't need to worry about saving changes, as Steam do it for you. When you or anyone else visits your Steam profile on the web, they will now see the following message. You can still send and receive friend invites, as well as trade items, even if your profile is set to private. Other users will not be able to see your personal sharing hub, which includes badges, screenshots, videos, game reviews, guides, and other uploaded content, unless you add them as friends. And even then, only if you choose friends only instead of private.
You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.